open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so happy because it's such a nice day. It's so sunny outside, it's so warm, and yeah. So excuse the hair and the face. I got up today, didn't really have anything planned. I haven't even really planned this video because I woke up and I was just like, you know what, I need to do something with my hair. I need to top up the balayage that I have, and I need to trim it as well. And usually I just do it myself because I can't be bothered to go and get it done properly. I know that's really bad. I don't even know what I'm doing, to be honest, but I do it anyway. Yeah, so I'm not a professional by any means. I literally have no idea what I'm doing, but I've always just went for it, and whenever I want to do something with my hair, I just do it, and it seems to turn out alright. I think I've only ever made one huge mistake where I tried to tone my hair and it went green, and that was like a really big mistake. But this time I'm just going to go for it, do what I normally do. I love how when you do balayage, it can just be really messy, sort of like, it is just like free painting onto the hair, to be honest. I don't even have my brushes that I normally use, you know, like the dye brushes to like brush onto your hair. I don't even have that, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to use. So what I'm going to attempt to use is a paintbrush. I mean, I've got some gloves as well, so I usually just do that to like rub it in, but if I'm going to free paint, I could probably get away with this just for, you know, like my little strands. I'm going to give it a go anyway. I don't even know how it's going to turn out. I don't even particularly care because I just need it done. It's not like I'm dyeing my whole head. I just need to sort of top up the balayage because, as you can see, it's very light on the ends, and then like on the roots it's like my natural like ginger hair. Once it's down, you can really tell like the balayage just sort of stops. Like I need to like blend it up. I don't even know where I'm going to mix the dye. I don't even have like the little pot, so I need to figure out what I'm going to do with that. And then I'm probably going to trim the ends because they're really split. I don't even have proper hairdressing scissors. The ones I've got were in the hairdressing section in Boots, but they're not like professional ones. They were like £5 or something, but you know, they work, so hey, I don't care. So I'm going to pop downstairs. I'm going to find something to mix the dye in, and then I'm going to like put my coconut oil on my hair and stuff that I normally do, just so it doesn't dry it out even more. It really does help to you know, not damage your hair as much when you're putting bleach on your hair. And then I'll be back and I will show you the process. So I'm back. I've just threw an old t-shirt on. It's The Walking Dead. I've found this. So it's, you know, the ones that you get that have the tiny little sprays in. I just took those out. I think I could mix the formula in there. This video is like major DIY. Literally everything I'm doing myself, apart from like making bleach. So the coconut oil's on. I'm now going to go in and mix the formula. So what I use to dye my hair is I've always used the Jerome Russell Be Blonde. I'm just using it because I already had loads of it left from ages ago. So what you get is you get the box which comes with the powders in. So you get, I think, 4 of these Be Blonde powders, and then you have to buy these separate. So this is the cream peroxide, but this is really cheap. It's about £1, and you just put it in with the powder. This is like the cream, and mix it together, and that's what makes, like, that's what activates it and makes it work. So I have one of these. This is 30 volt. I don't use 40 because that's a little bit too harsh. I think 30 should work just fine. And then I've got the Jerome Russell Be Blonde J-Plex, which I think it's supposed to be similar to the Olaplex, the one that celebs and stuff use. It's to help maintain the bonds in your hair and repair broken bonds, but this is really cheap. I'm not sure how much it is, but I'll try and find out. And what you do is you get in it the bond builder, and this is what you put in with your formula before you mix it all together, and then that's what like helps to protect your hair while you're doing it. And then you get the bond maintainer maintainer, which you use afterwards. It's like a conditioner, but it's like a stronger one. I would think, yeah, just comb through a small amount, keep it on for 10 minutes, style as normal. Yeah, it's just like a conditioner, and then it's to like protect the bonds in your hair again. So I'm just gonna mix everything together. Gloves on for health and safety.
Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you. You're alive.
They saying Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like pogos, you can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. But they're out like Somo, cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on now. They don't know, or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic when you roll with us. And we won't live forever, but I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love, and we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer, when I met you in the summer, when I met you in the summertime with your fine ass, Merlot in that wine glass. She dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy, and she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible. And these other guys average, so they mad to know, cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room, but they don't need no makeup though. They just tryna party, live too fast to take it slow. Got summer flings and these summer things, but we just making memories. Just promise that you'll remember.
Right, so my camera died halfway through that, so you haven't seen all of it. So basically since then I finished dyeing my hair, I washed it off, and then I put on the bond maintainer, which I was talking about earlier, along with a toner, which just sort of takes out any of the yellowness. I mean, I would love to be able to have like white or silvery, you know, blonde, like blonde toned hair, but because of my natural colour I just can't, it just wouldn't look right. So I mean, I have toned down the yellowness that I could, but it's still, you know, it's not white blonde, but I do like the tone of it, and it does sort of, it just looks natural. It fades from my roots to the tips. It is a very natural look. It's a very gradual fade, but there definitely is a change in colour, because if you put the ends in contrast with the roots, you know, there's a big change. So I am happy with it. So this is the final look. What I did was I also trimmed the ends because they were really dead, and then I just curled it as normal. I'm always terrified to cut my hair because I don't want it to be shorter, but then after I've trimmed it, it always looks longer because it's more healthy, so it actually looks better now that I've trimmed it, and I much prefer it, to be honest. That's the final look. I am really happy with it. I will show you some pictures as well. I'll try and get some closer up pictures of what it actually looks like, but I am really happy with it. So I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. So if you have liked this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check out some of my other videos. I have just started YouTube and I am really enjoying it, and I am trying my best. So I hope you have enjoyed this, and if you have, please let me know. Thanks so much.